Oh, this is New Market, St. Elizabeth. The flood? Okay. Okay. New Market, St. Elizabeth. What is it famous for? So, where you eat? Them have co-ed, now get a co-ed.
Coed. Chicken and that food go back up foreign and come back.
Yes, the vibe is nice. That's a plate. I'll get water. 1 spoon of rice and enough veg. So people, I'm gonna have co-ed today, but tomorrow it's gonna be fish. Yes, just so you know, the vibe nice. Do you eat here often?
Eh? Second time.
Second time you drive through?
Yeah, man.
Oh, and you say we got a bit of rice for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the gentleman.
Chicken miss.
Chicken you want? Fried chicken or the grilled one?
Fried chicken. Oh, yeah.
You know, just water.
You got that special smile and spending with you all right. And I can't explain the way you make me feel over and over again. 'Cause you're a my best friend.
Honey, if you want a red stripe?
A special one for me. And I've gotta let you know just how I feel. Oh,
Sorry, here, my friend. Sorry, beer.
you'll be
No red stripe and a bottle of water. Cool. Make one breast, one leg. So this is Jamaica Good Life with Randy. And right now we stop. I'm gonna eat some co-ed. We're at this place in
What's your
St.
name, miss? CNJ.
T&J. So you pick it up on Google Maps. T&J Bar and Grill. People, let me explain to you. When you come to Jamaica, Google this place. T&J Bar and Grill Center. T&J Bar and Grill. Look at the mountain, right? Just Google that. Make sure to Google that. Yes, sir. This.
We see Darren with the money. When my mother lived there.
Probably.
They do an interview. My wife man didn't go. He was from Israel, I think.
I got 3 bottles of roots, some water, keep the blood pressure there. I'm gonna get a red stripe. So this is my first stop in Jamaica. And it's in St. Elizabeth. We're going through Mandeville, New Market. You guys, whenever you come to Jamaica, go to St. Elizabeth, come to this spot and eat this lady's food. Miss Tiny. Can I come in the kitchen? Okay. Let's go in the kitchen. Randy, open up the gates of the kitchen. First up. Your name is Miss Tiny?
Miss Tiny, yeah, Miss Tiny. I'm the chef.
Miss Tiny, I noticed there's something about the chicken.
It's all natural seasoning
Oh, you make it yourself.
on the grill.
So this is
This is my oven for the chicken. And and that one for the
Who
pork.
constructed these for you?
I stand here and ask the gentleman to do it how I wanted it.
How many years you been doing this?
I think it's from 2011. After the flood, I came here.
Yeah, from
I
where?
started cooking. Same place in Jacksgate here, Newmarket, St. Elizabeth.
So I'm telling the entire world that
This is my
Jamaica.
little kitchen.
This is your little kitchen, Miss Tiny. I have a friend named Queen Cuisine. She cooks in Vancouver, and she's a chef. So this is your pots and this is your
I
oven.
mostly do everything in the oven.
So this style is different from everybody else's.
I think so, because they most like fry food.
Where did you get the idea?
Oh my God. My mother and my father, they're always in the kitchen. Yes, and I'm watching them cook. So
Wow.
that's where I get my idea.
You have kids?
3 sons. 2 sons and 1 daughter.
And you send
and
them
a
to school and everything?
Yeah. My daughter just graduated from St. Elizabeth Technical.
You wouldn't leave Jamaica to live anywhere else?
No!
Why not?
I love Jamaica.
Why?
Easy going. Nice.
You have your business.
I
and
love
you've
my
had-
business.
You have this business for
I
a
love
while.
Jamaica.
And do you sell your seasonings? Huh?
No, I don't. I just have people.
Oh my
you know, I met
gosh.
this lady from
So this is how you.
This is the oven. I light it from under here.
Mhm.
I open it and light it, and clean it from behind. You can go back there.
Wow.
And you see I clean it from
So
behind.
basically, your oven different.
Yes, it is.
So your jerky thing is not a jerk.
It's grill.
It's
We
grill.
call it T&J Bar and Grill.
T&J Bar and Grill.
Yes, it is.
So. All right.
And
Well,
this is what I used to cook the rice and peas. Coconut, natural coconut.
no, everything you do natural.
Yeah.
You try not to do the
I try not to do artificial stuff.
Miss Tiny. Guys, so you have to check out Miss Tiny in St. Elizabeth.
I'm gonna put the sauce on it.
She's gonna put the sauce. That's a
I make
special.
my own sauce.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
I'm not gonna give you the recipe. I'm not.
no. We don't want your recipe. We want people to come here, come taste it.
Oh.
So put
I
it.
met this lady from Ocherius, you know. Her name is Miss T.
Mhm.
I think she had a kitchen in Ocherius.
And she wanted your sauce.
She liked it.
Yeah.
She stopped here one day and she told me she liked my sauce.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have a friend, Queen Cuisine, all the way from Vancouver, is coming because
Yeah?
she respects when I taste food.
Yeah.
Your chicken
Fried
is like
chicken.
no
The
fried
good
chicken.
is nice too.
So put the sauce on it. Let's go. Wow. This is historic, guys. And the beautiful thing is both of the dish we have in here had some cow head and it was only $900. So that is your sauce. That's the
I
secret.
don't want to put a lot on it.
This is T&J
Bar and
Bar
Grill.
and Grill. Google it. Is this from Miss Tiny. Randy Ponder from
And you
Jamaica.
want to
Good
go to the
man.
bar and see?
I went to the
And
bar
that's my
already.
pot from my grandmother days. Those are the white pots.
You cooking at them?
We use sorrel in them. Sorry.
To make sorrel drink.
Yeah.
So
And I make my own tables.
you made the own tables?
Yes, I
Chicken and season to the bone.
What, honey?
Correct.
Chicken done.
Yeah, man.
Y'all chew up the chicken like your
I
dog.
tell you, man.
Chew up the
Season
chicken
to
like
the
your
bone.
dog. And guys, guess what I ordered?
grilled chicken and fried.
Open that for me, Anif. I ordered
How is
both.
something again?
This was the cow head. And me watch that off. And then me say, Miss Tiny, after me taste Hanif chicken when him chew up the bone like dog. Me say, no man, me have to get some of the chicken. So me say, Miss Tiny, me need both. Give me. Randy's a little pig, you know.
Yeah, man.
Man for live, you know. People say me not for eat chicken, but man for live. Miss Tiny?
I met this guy the other day. He stopped here. He says from England, and he always come to Jamaica. And he stopped here to have food. And when he tasted the chicken, he said, "Mommy, your food nice. This is the best food I ever had since I came to Jamaica." She said, "Mommy, your food nice."
Mama, let me tell you something, Miss Tiny. We drove from the airport. We didn't eat. You see, the thing I love about your chicken, like, I never taste in my life. When I eat it, just you feel the season in it. And I like, you know, up on the surface. The season run deep.
We stopped here to eat. He said the food was good.
This chicken here, people.
It's natural season.
Natural season.
It's grilled.
Nobody now gonna know my Stanley secret, so when I have to come here.
Oh, I'm not.
You're good, man. You're good. Jamaica good laugh endorse you big time. And then the rice you say appear.
Natural coconut.
Yeah, man,
Natural.
it tastes really
And pepper and
coconut.
scallion and thyme.
No coconut milk.
Natural coconut.
Yeah, man, it's great. Blend it.
Blend. I like to grate to use the muscle.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like to grate the coconut.
How old are you, if you don't mind I ask?
Oh my God! I guess.
You're 47.
No, you're not. I'm 55.
wow, I look so young. So.
Get my rest at night to work in the kitchen the next day.
So you love your business, you love Jamaica,
Yes, I
you would
love
never
it.
leave.
No, never.
And people say a lot of crime here. And
Oh no, those are bad people. I think they're
So-
mixed up.
so most of the crime and things we go on in Jamaica are mix up.
I think most of them are gang. Some of them, most of them are reprisal. You do somebody something, they get back at you. But otherwise, they mind your own business. Tell me my
We
own
don't do
business.
nobody now do it. No.
No. They mind our own business.
You know, what I like about this is me I eat two food, you know, them some is like a pig, but I'm impressed. We came to the right place.
Steady.
If you go and Google, go to Bosa, I think you see my business up there. Bosa. Here, Bosa. Here, Sheba.
So it's the road that you
It's a lot of district around here. It's a giant community.
I said they didn't road around.
No, you can drive back to the bank, the PC bank, go around that way turn right.
Oh,
and
I'm
back
walking
up
at the square.
But the square is right over here. New Market, nice man.
New Market.
St. Elizabeth, nice. The best part in Jamaica. The bread basket, we feed everybody. Yes, we feed everybody.
Scallion, onion, tomato,
Feed everybody. Red peas and plantain.
Red peas.
Everything.
even
We don't only go to the market to buy anything, we farm everything.
wow.
Country life, nice man.
My mother, I think it's Jamaica something I don't remember. What is your name again?
I'm Randy Pottinger. Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life.
Go YouTube and subscribe.
We're gonna put you up. T&J Bar and Grill, St. Elizabeth. So the cow them there, them a eat grass, them not eat no feeding. Cow them natural. And they have nice music and a good vibe.
So here, Sarah, garage. Over here.
It's an entertainment center. Jamaica.
So guys, you have to just Google the place. What's your phone number here?
My number is 556
556
7488.
7488, and then you just add the 876 to that,
That's my WhatsApp number.
and you can add her to WhatsApp. So if you want directions or anything, it's New Market, and
Google T&J Bar and Grill and
just
you can
yeah,
create one.
Google T&J Bar and Grill on the map. This chicken,
I'm registered.
she's registered. This food, people. Now you know when I endorse food, when you see me I eat so. I mean, I have to watch my weight, you know. But the rice so good. Mister,
You wanted a little bit of food.
me just say I want a little bit, and then when I taste it, I say, hold on. I love it, man. Continue success. What do you wish for the world? If you could change the world, how would you change it?
my God, that's a tough question. I wish everybody could live in love.
Yeah.
Love. Just love each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And where were you born originally?
I was born in Jacksgate, right up on the hill up there. Jacksgate, same place in St. Elizabeth. Jacksgate,
So you're a
Newmarket.
St. Elizabeth person.
Yes, I am.
Did you travel through Jamaica any?
Yes, I like to travel through Jamaica and taste people's food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And everything is just rice and peas, but I like Chinese food.
You like Chinese food?
Yeah, I like shrimps and broccoli, vegetable shrimps and broccoli. I like to eat that when I go out or fish.
Yeah.
How do I find Jamaica good life?
Just search Jamaica, type the word Jamaica. And
How
then
you get to type this?
space, let me do.
Oh my God! You know, one time I was on a documentary, I was doing this, and I didn't have my uniform on. Oh my God! Because I had my uniform, but I didn't put it on the time it's hot.
Yes, Jamaica Good Life is
Oh God! So you put in T&J Bar and Grill.
yeah, we're gonna put T&J Bar and Grill.
And you can go to the bar and have a look. My sister's in there now.
That's your sister in the bar?
Yeah.
So both of you own the business?
Yes.
This is a good combination. What? That's not me. That's not Jamaica Good Life. No. Around here,
The trees and everything, green and nice.
you have your cow right beside you. You have your music. You have your food. You
You
own
have
your,
the drink.
you own your place with your
Yes.
sister.
Yes.
You have your mountain.
Everything.
Your taxi then move up.
And it's-
Safety.
You can park your car, open it, leave it right there. Nobody touch it. Nobody.
Safety. People
Yeah,
just
nobody. Everybody know each other around here. Everybody know each other. If I'm inside and hear your voice outside, I know it's you. That's all.
so Miss Tiny.
Yes, I'm Miss Tiny.
So
My name is Cheryl Hansen.
Cheryl Hansen.
Yes.
So this is our first stop on the journey, people. I randomly roll up on Miss Tiny. And Miss Tiny was not tiny when she deal with the chicken, around there already. A two food meat, Explain to them what was this, what was that? Fried chicken and
Grilled chicken.
grilled chicken, rice and peas. And then we had some cowhead, vegetable.
Yellow
It
yam.
was one little piece of pre-diabetic,
Yeah, and a little bit of rice.
But I taste piece of honey chicken and I said, this is different.
Yes,
Good
yes,
afternoon.
back from school.
So this is the life. This, you see, I'm from Manchester. This is what I call Jamaica good life.
Yes.
For me, it's not about. There's good life on different
You
levels.
don't have to have a lot of money to live.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah,
Just
yeah.
a little bit and you're okay.
Yeah,
You don't have to have a lot of money to live.
You see
like
the regular
Jamaica.
car we have,
Jamaica is really nice.
and I tell people that it's not the luxury. It's the people, food,
Food, the
the
music.
music, the mountains, the water, the jankra.
Yeah.
Everything. The flowers.
Jamaica is nice, man.
This is Jamaica Good
Nice.
Life.
The country is nice.
In
nice.
this episode, we're
No
at
place like home.
we're at season 4 now in our YouTube.
Yeah.
It's global. We have 20,000 subscribers.
Really?
Yes. And this is our 4th season. We have over 600 videos
Really?
on YouTube.
Wow.
And the people in UK will be seeing this. People in Canada, all over the world.
People gonna
Jamaicans.
comment online. I think most
Yeah,
of
they're
them
gonna love it because they know that I'm a foodie. They know I'm a craven. But
Never want no food, no food.
remember, I'm come here and look for fish,
Fish in the freezer. I'm not ready. You have to. Not really. You have to order. You don't just prepare fish. For some people like it fried, some like it steamed, and some don't like salt on it. Some don't want no garlic on it. So you have to prepare it how they want it. You can't just prepare fish and put it down like that. No.
And I give me a pass now, I prepare it and then come back.
You call me and tell me say you need fish, so I prepare it how you want it. Some people don't like this black pepper on it. Some don't like garlic on it. So.
well, People go jealous of me again. This is my job. So, even the cow them easy. And the cow them,
Just right here.
them have no rope, them in the fence, and them just eat grass and chill out. Cow them have Jamaica good life.
They eat down.
Hmm?
I have a lot of those cows and the cows and eat they stretch and come. So I left the only one right there. And I do my own lights right up there. I put my lights.
Is that a tank where the birds come in?
Yes, it is, the open tank. Over there is the attraction, like they have entertainment. They're gonna have a big dance over there Saturday nights.
So that's your place too?
No, my cousin.
Your cousin? So you guys are a family enterprise.
Almost.
So now you work good as a family.
Yeah.
Are you the lead? Because did it take a leader in the family to put things together?
I'm the one.
And everybody take your lead?
Yes.
And they stay in line?
Yeah.
Because I find a challenge working with Jamaican families if there's not a head.
Yeah.
So Miss Tiny lay down the law and everybody
Follow.
profit.
Yes.
What gives you that leadership strength?
Yeah.
Is it your faith in God? Or what keeps you going?
Come again.
What keeps you going? What makes you strong?
Oh
Why
my
do they
God.
listen to you?
I think they respect me,
Why?
how I live.
How you live?
I live a good life and show respect to others. So everybody respect me.
And it's not about ego.
About ego?
Yeah.
No. I'm a very quiet person. If you piss me off then I just keep quiet.
How much you born?
February.
Wow, I see. How much have you?
Who born February?
How much? How much about?
16.
So there's Miss Tiny, you're the leader, head of the family, and you
Yes.
hold it together.
From I
So
was
this
a
is,
child, I like to cook. From I was 7 years old, I've been cooking. I like to cook. I love to cook.
I'm gonna let you meet a lady named Queen Cuisine.
Yeah.
We're
Where
coming.
she's from?
She's from Vancouver. I want her to taste this chicken.
To let me know when she's coming.
Yeah, man. So we're gonna call in advance. And the next time we come through, we'll try to get the fish. All right. Miss Tiny, it's a pleasure.
Nice meeting you. Your name is?
Randy Pottinger. I endorse it from Jamaica Good Life. We endorse St. Elizabeth. We just make a stamp in a St.
St.
Elizabeth
Elizabeth Newmarket.
New Market. Thank you so much.
The bread basket.
The bread basket.
Yes.
We're in St. Elizabeth. T&J Bar and Grill. This is a nice spot. And the food is amazing. You could Google it. T&J Bar and Grill, first stop on the journey. So all the Senti people Randy is in your town. So Google that T&J Bar and Grill and support Miss Tiny. It's a family business and she's been doing it for years. One Jamaica and another Jamaica Good Life to show you how good life is in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Kids are coming from school. Yes, this is Jamaica Good Life. This is Jamaica Good Life. Yeah, we got it.
What do you yesterday make you cry? Let me see some of your videos if they look good. Lord, you see me a chat.
So what do you want to say to the world?
Give thanks and praise to Rastafari. Never live, never be never sure.
So we'll forget your number so we can come check you and have a sit down.
Yeah, man.
Give me your number.
329 51 31.
Yeah, we have to go have a meeting at the mountain. May I see the energy now?
See?
Yeah, we have to go. Yeah, St. Elizabeth?
Yeah, man.
So you're St. Elizabeth Ross?
Yeah, man.
We have to come. What I make it rough cuts.
Yeah, man. Father.
Okay. So when the sound play, we're gonna play in 2020.
We play up here already. Last year.
We're now play New Year's.
We are playing New Year.
Playing here the 22nd, they play now. Play the 29th.
Yeah.
Where you live?
Manchester.
Manchester, they play in Manchester.
Manchester.
We have a beautiful place around here.
Yeah,
man.
man.
The 25th of their Manchester, South Manchester, 25th Manchester,
You're global now, no?
26th South
The
Manchester.
whole world.
World.
The whole world, I'm gonna see you when we put it up. So, what do you want to say to the world? And that's your answer to the world.
Peace and a lot of love.
Peace and love from St. Elizabeth.
From St. Elizabeth, New Market.
New Market. And Natty, what do you want to say to the world?
I don't know, blessings and respect, I mean, one of Rough Cut members, I mean, fully booked for the Christmas holiday, respect.
Yes, give time. We're coming out of New Market, right? And we're probably still around New Market. Gonna get around the truck. So I'm saying come through, we're good. And we're going through St. Elizabeth, Ronan area. Nice, you know. Nice. We just meet up with Miss Tiny and eat some food where it's not tiny, it's big. That the chicken there, when they come for the fish, but the fish never ready. But when the Almighty send me for the chicken, she seasoned it to the bone.
Yeah, man.
And let me tell you, enough star there, Jamaica. Chef, cook. St. Elizabeth, yes, it's around the blessing of. You know, the last part I went to St. Elizabeth, near, I think Alligator Pan around here, right?
Alligator Pan.
I saw flat areas, but coming through here is more the mountainous areas. You know?
More mountain.
And I love it. They have the fun day for the kids. Jamaica people, Jamaicans, when you don't watch the news of foreign, look at this neighborhood, and this is what I always tell you. Look at this neighborhood and look at us driving. If you lived in a place like this, in a nice little home, and you're friendly with the community, and you support them and you get to know the people, we're not talking about brag and show off and big car. You get to know the people, you play domino with them, you go to church with them, you support them, right? You know, it's just hard for things to, they're not gonna run, come kill me. Like, you know what I said, every time I drive through Jamaica, I'm gonna see what the real Jamaica look like. And when we hear news, it's like, it just make the place look like, say, no man, can't live this up. I'm gonna drive through the hills, them, and the way them paint the place, and then me now come on the ground and show the people and say, no. Here's good, look on the people. Man, every Jamaican you wave to wave back, and them don't know you.
Right, nobody even know you.
You see me?
Nobody even know you have a talk to you.
Yes, sir. This is when we come to Jamaica for another human say hello. Because in a Babylon, no hello. No humanity. So when the people over the world talk about, no, Jamaica, them bad mind, you see? Them this, them that, there's a balance in everything. So we are look for the balance. We know it's a crime and thing, but we are look for the balance. Because for the lady with her shovel and look on her grey hair.
What's a strong man?
Man a bill. We look for the balance, people. That's what I look for. We look for the balance. There must be a balance. I'm going to try to find the balance. Because we can't write off the country. And that's why I'm here. Your representative, Jamaica, good life, where I look for the good. Listen me. People get them here plot. Same African vibe of one. Africa, this one is for you. This is Jamaica, good life. Yes. This journey is tiny. The food, this is just the beginning with Hanif. And why wait till we get the car, Hanif, or the van?
Yeah.
Lord God, it's done. It's done.
Done.
It's done. So I'm gonna print out a big map and I'm gonna go circle all the areas and just move through. Country, man. Nice place. Wow. Them.
Yes, man. We have one last one to go to again.
Eh? More Zozo. This is St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, man.
You guys see me go through Port Antonio. You see me go through Manchester. Now I'm going through St. Elizabeth on the tour with Nick and Trusty. You'll see a different part of St. Elizabeth. New Market is something now is entrenched in my mind. New Market. All right, New Market is beautiful. Driving to the New Market, T&J Bar and Restaurant. Just Google that and you'll get this experience. It's a lovely, beautiful. I didn't know St. Elizabeth was this beautiful. The bread basket of Jamaica. Once you have gas money, you're good in life. Awesome.
Right.
Wow, look at that.
Wow. Inside cooking and go on.
People are doing everything. How often do you go through tires?
Tires.
Yeah.
Every 4 months or 3 months.
You have to change the whole thing?
Yeah. No, that's the front.
Okay.
Back one and last up longer.
And how much each of the tire?
4,000.
For each of the tire?
4,500 for one.
Oh, so that's not bad.
Yeah.
So basically you change your tire every 4 months. So it's
Yeah,
good.
3 months, yeah.
3 months, that's not bad. Yeah, look, when I get to US, you make that in a day.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's mainly the maintenance is tire and what else? Just oil change.
Tire and oil change and balance and line.
Balance and how much is it for maintenance, like an oil change?
Oil change will cost me $4,000.
4,000.
Yeah. Jamaican dollars.
And how often do you do that?
Every 3 months.
Okay, so another, so you're looking at about 160 US every 3 months.
Yes, every 3 months. Yeah.
And the taxi man is supposed to be able to handle that.
Yeah.
Why do they call the people in foreign and say the car one tire? Why them not just deal with it?
The people in Vario.
When you have a car for someone,
Yeah.
why is it the owner's responsibility to keep it washing?
They just send the money and we just, you know.
But some people sometimes mash up people's car.
Yeah, I heard.
This is why a lot of people don't want to do taxi business.
Because some people don't care.
So you've had this lady's car for a
Yeah,
while?
for a while.
How long?
1 year and a half.
Okay. And she comes
Still
down
going.
every often?
Yeah, she comes very often.
And you pick her at the airport?
Yeah.
And does she change the tires?
Yes, ma'am. Change the tires.
She changes the tires. And then you have to do brake work.
work shoes and
And how often do you change brakes?
brakes every month.
Every month.
Yeah.
It's a lot of driving.
Yeah.
And what's the cost on that?
$1,500 and $2,000
For each?
for each. Yeah.
So
Back
it's-
one is $2,000, front one is $1,500.
Wow, so it's another $40
Yeah.
for brakes.
Brakes, yeah.
So looking at three fours now.
Yes, 3/4 is that. 3/4 is that.
12, right? So that's so basically that's like 12,000
Yeah.
per
3 months.
every 3 months, but the
Yeah.
brake is every month.
Yes.
So you would send out 3, 4, 12. That's 12,000. So basically, and I just wow, 12,000 just for the brakes per month.
For the months.
I mean for the 3 months.
Yeah, 3 months, yeah.
12,000 for the 3 months for the brakes,
Brakes.
and 4,000 for the tires
No, 9,000 for the tires.
per month.
Yeah,
For
for
3
For
months.
the 3 months. Yeah.
9,000, and then the
And
maintenance.
I change now 4,000.
4,000 for the 3 months. So okay, got it.
So roughly would be
About
20,000.
20,000.
Yes,
So
because
it's about.
workmanship involved.
Got it. Wow. So now you're looking at about $270 US per month per 3 months. Every 3 months, $270 US.
But that can more than make back for 3 months, you know. Each month you can, alright, each week you can carry 14,000
14,000 you make per week
per week.
at your just at your local.
Our local would be 12,000. Red plate, you know, so it would be 25,000.
Wow.
Yeah. Per week.
Per week.
No. If it's a bus, it would be 25,000 per week.
Okay.
Yeah.
If it's a bus, it's 25,000 per
25,000.
week.
Yeah, like an hour or a vaccine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So that you're looking at about 800 US per month.
Per month. Right.
And to maintain it every 3 months, you're looking at about 300 US.
Right.
And then gas now, you're looking
No,
at.
man, you don't have to think about
You
this.
don't think about gas.
X out gas all the time. Because at the daytime, I may have to buy the gas. Driver have to buy the gas.
Or just his
Work
money.
it back, yeah, try to work back the gas money then.
Okay. So you try to cancel out the gas money.
Yeah.
You work harder. So if you have a good driver with a good business, it is very profitable.
Very, very profitable.
But the driver has to be honest
Reliable, honest,
and take care of the vehicle.
take care of the vehicle.
And you'll have a good solid business.
Right.
Because there's many failed business with taxi with Jamaicans, you know. Many. And how long you been driving?
10 years.
And none of the car was yours.
Yeah, I own cars.
And they mash up, what happened to them?
So I sold them.
Sold them?
Yeah.
And why did you decide to drive for someone and not yourself or own your own car?
Because this person, his friend, and he said he don't have anybody to keep his car, so I just keep it for her.
For her. And she gets the profit too.
Yeah. And it helped me also too.
That's a family man.
Yeah.
So your business as a car man per week, you'll bring in like what?
13,000 per week.
per
As
week.
for a white plate car.
For a white plate, which can go anywhere.
Yes.
For
Or
red plate, it's set to a route
25.
25,000.
Yeah.
And it's not even a van, it's a car.
Yeah.
But when you get a van now, then you get into some serious money.
Right. 25.
So now, I do know that now we're getting into the flatter area, right? I do know that some of the taxi man them are kind of any extortion going like, yo, you have to pay away another thing.
Awesome. Yeah. Extortion. Salad bamboo.
Bamboo. And there's the jelly coconut there. These are the Toyota Fox.
Yeah, this is one like those one I'm talking. It's only 25,000.
And how much these go for themselves, man?
Not much.
Them good pan gas?
Yes, man, very good bag, yes.
How much for them coconut, yeah? I don't have much, I don't have no change, but I like for drink a jelly. Alam Bambo, this me used to. More Zozos. Yes. You know, Zozo them now play.
They want.
This is what you need. You need more people working. And how far is Manchester now?
Half hour drive.
Half hour drive. What time we have now? Make a good life. I'm back at it again right now. I eat some peanut.
Heading up Spur Tree Hill.
Spur Tree Hill. We're going up the hill. It's been a long drive. And it's been a beautiful drive with Hanif, your official driver from Jamaica Good Life. Back up on yourself, Nadesha, Nick, Trusty, Pocket, the whole works. And they're up on the road. New York City, December 28th. What that? Is that party?
Party, yeah.
Who's one at the party there? This is at the
St. Elizabeth, yeah.
St. Elizabeth?
Yeah.
That the flyer there. Lord. They must spend some money on flyer nowadays. Wow. Life is why today was just a beautiful day. The sunshine opened up and thing just nice and beautiful, man. Today was just amazing. One thing I do like though driving in these small cars, you know, say you know, eat up gas for no reason. I don't like waste gas for no reason, you know. That's something I like the SUV, them and them things like that. It's a waste gas for no reason. If you just want to move from point A to point B, it's a waste money.
Big vehicle,
and sometimes you feel like you have to go and drive the boy, with this 75 US
right.
for the day.
For the day.
Oh, come on, man. We're doing like we're doing near Manchester now, right? Where are they now?
Manchester,
Mandeville, where they now? That's where the big house them just start show up. You see the mansion them there, Mandeville. Thousands skirt, Mandeville, where they now? Different vibe. Everyone, this is Ronnie. This is season 4, Jamaica Good Life. Welcome back. And there he is. So you tell me that people recognizing you now all over the world.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm gonna grow a beard, so maybe I can get by.
So we're gonna be doing some cooking, some vibe with the King Deacon. No, he's not just Deacon anymore. He's King Deacon. I love the view, and we have our speaker. I have some water. And we're gonna sit down on here. Girl, This is Deacon's Jamaica Good Life. So what do you think about season 2, season 3? Back up a little.
Let me put it to you this way. Season 1 was the beginning of the creation of a monster.
Mm-hmm.
Season 1 showed you what could be done and the potential that could be there. Season 2 reaffirmed that this thing's got good potential.
Mm-hmm.
Season 3 showed you what could be.
Mm-hmm.
Now, folks, for season 4, we gotta let it be.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're gonna have to
Yes.
let it be.
Yes.
We have no excuse. We have a fairly intelligent leader. I don't say he's really intelligent, but on a good day, he's not too bad. Of course, you catch him at the wrong time, he might not even know his own name, but he's all right.
Yes, yes.
He's all right. He's doing good.
Well, Jamaicans, again, the reason we do this is to
Show you your country.
show you your country
Again.
again and again and again.
Is-
But honorable is a honorable title. If that's a heavy title,
If you gonna carry the title, the honorable, or more, as they say it now, most honorable.
Most honorable.
Then damn it, act like it.
Then do they know what honorable mean?
It means you're a person of honor, male or female of the species, whose word can be. Oh, don't start me.
No, you have to start, cause tonight
Don't
I come over
start, don't
yesterday
start.
night, like Jamaica
Don't
Good
start,
Life.
dear.
We're talking about different things here, and it's important for our country that we do discuss these matters as we're moving forward to 2020. The most honorable Randy Potager from Jamaica Good Life. The most honorable Deacon. Every Jamaican should call himself most honorable. You know why? Because when we start call ourselves more honorable, then them system we are on the same thing.
Yeah, you go. There you
Maybe
go.
we should also call ourselves the most honorable me.
Mhm.
Because when we start calling ourselves most honorable,
No, not to. Stick
Come
up,
on.
in, stick
Yeah,
up in the
let me
family.
stick up in.
You realize that if we end up calling ourselves the most honorable this and the most honorable that, pretty soon we're gonna start acting like it.
there you go. But they're not acting like the most honorable.
Look,
So we must take the word, we must take it back from them.
take it back. Take back the title.
Take the title.
Take back the title.
Them-
Because
they
the ones
have
who
not-
don't live up
Let
to
me
it
tell
should
you,
not have it.
Maybe there should be a barometer measurement in government or whatever to earn that title. In Jamaica, we just give out title.
Let me give you a little thing I read in a book a while back.
Talk to me.
I read in a book a little while back about it's a fictitious country
Uh-huh.
where before you went into office, into government office, you had to walk through this stacks of money, gold and silver and copper and thing, and when you came out, you had to dance. No paper money, all coins, but you had to dance.
Yes.
Many went in there and came out, and when they danced, money fell out the pocket. But there was one little guy who went out there and walked through it twice, came out and danced his butt off,
And no money for that.
and no money fell out his pocket.
Wow.
He got the job as prime minister of the country
That's honorable.
because he was an honest man. Now that's an honorable man. He's not a thief.
Wow.
I'm not saying he didn't need it, but he wasn't going to steal it to get it.
Say you're a smart man. I thought you just make good hockey and selfish in the morning, but the more we talk to you, the more we realize, you have a brain for you in a deacon.
Every once in a while, we get something right, man. Every once in a while, we get something
You said the
right.
man dance and the money follows.
Fall out in pocket, man. Everyone, and then you know that if he got in there when he leaves, he's gonna take a boatload of money with him. He can dance. Then when him come out, cause him have nothing in pocket. It's all in the bank.
Yes, yes.
Him rich, but you notice something. You look at it here and over there in the U.S.
Yes, yes.
People will spend the U.S. House of Representatives, Congress, House and Senate. They make $174,000 a year. That's their gross pay. All right. They will spend $20 million to run for a job that pays them $174,000 a year. You hear me? By the time they leave there in 6 years, every last one of them pieces of work is a millionaire. Multi-millionaire. Nancy Pelosi is worth over $100 million, you know.
How does she make her money?
Maxine Waters just built a $4.5 or $5 million house at the very edge of her district where none of the people she represents live. The very edge. She's about 200 yards from the boundary of her district. And she built it in the richest part of the neighborhood. About a $4.5, $5 million house. And Maxine is worth damn near $200 million.
But she makes about
And she make $174 million, $174,000 a year.
So where did the money come from?
That's the question. There are ones who just got there now. Just came in the last freshman class.
Yeah.
And they're making $174,000 a year. I will bet you 50. Okay, let's talk about Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. Name is Puerto Rican. Cool. Let's look at it this way. We know she wasn't worth a penny when she came in. She wasn't worth much. She was a barista at a coffee shop. Bartender, really. And we see what she worth when she came out, come out. Because she gonna get, she got a Jamaican running again, so you know. Yeah.
So this is Deacon Politics.
Yes,
you
man.
know your thing, man. So you tell me they get money from somewhere, just like local politicians.
You hear
here.
about lobbyists and stuff.
And them a go like them nice and sweet and clean. And them a even rough up the Republicans and them a make what them a get $5 million for big bill house?
Listen to me. I didn't say the house was $5 million, you know. I said the house was valued. That's $5 million. We're talking about California, you hear. You understand me? The house you can buy in Houston for $250,000, $300,000. Pick up the same house, 3 bedrooms, drop it on a 120-foot deep lot by 80 feet wide. And drop it on the same size lot in San Francisco, LA, up yonder with Sacramento or wherever. It gonna cost you $3 or $4 million, $3.5 to $4 million. That $250,000 house from Houston. The house that costs $250,000 in Houston, go to Mississippi and get it for $150 or $200. You see, it depends on where you live. California is so expensive, people U-Haul can't keep up with the demand to get the vehicles out of there.
So the synergy is similar to Jamaica.
It's similar. It's just corruption, and more corruption.
Yeah, they come in the system, they make X amount, but when they leave, they're wealthy from the kickbacks.
Yes,
I noticed recently there were some projects to invite certain consultants. A friend of a friend in government will know a friend in the States who run a company, and then they use them as consultants. And by the time they leave office, it so happens that friend got certain amount of kickbacks from that company in America.
You see, the thing is,
transparency is
necessary. The thing is, that friend got the kickback, but it's not the friend kickback, you know. That friend got the deal.
Yeah.
The overpriced deal.
Yes.
The difference between the overpriced and what the deal should cost is what goes back to the politician.
Yeah.
The politician got some, and the guy got paid for doing the job, but the politician got the difference between the actual price and the deal.
Yeah.
So when that friend leave, when that group leaves, it's a matter of all of a sudden this guy who only had one pickaxe and a shovel is now running bulldozers, excavators, and everything else.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? And this politician here now is now worth several $100 million stuck in a bank in Sweden.
Yeah.
You catch where I'm going?
Sweden. So we do know, and so we're just a talk, we're just a reason. It's coming down night. The reason why I filmed this, to have you see the daylight turn into night. This is Jamaica Good Life, relaxing with King Deacon. He's earned his crown. We're gonna check out his food in upcoming series. I want to relax here with season 4. I'm gonna take a little restful break. Maybe I'll get to St. Mary. The world is watching the show. I want to thank you and Steve, you and everyone. We're gonna keep the fire burning. We love you guys, Jamaican, and hopefully for a better Jamaican, more balanced Jamaica.
Oh, hold on a little bit.
Yeah.
To the one who sent us that hail from Russia, big up yourself.
From Russia.
Yeah, we got one from Russia. It was in Moscow, I think it was.
Yes.
Yeah, big up yourself. I like that. Like that.
Yes. The world is watching.
Yeah, man.
You have a beautiful view here.
Boy, it's nice.
It's been
I'm,
quite a
like,
journey.
I'm just going to say this again. I can't tell my mother thanks enough for putting it here. I can't tell her thanks enough for sticking with it because I know it was a rough job. You see the mountainside they cut to get this.
Yes, yeah.
It was a hard road to go. And I know it cost you money and frustration, Mom, but thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
To all mothers, to all fathers. Jamaica Good Life, this is Randy coming down to the night time. It's the right time. 2020 is right around the corner. We only wish that the people abroad can come back home and be a part of government and create a balance. And it's going to be a tough journey.
Yeah.
You know,
Got work to do.
There's
There's
work
work to
and,
be done.
and my job is to spotlight the good
Yes.
and
Highlight the evil. Expose the evil. Highlight the good.
yeah, look at the rivers that. What do you think about the Portland River series we did?
Man, that's an underhanded way of doing stuff, you know.
What do you mean?
To buy the land and the adjacent property.
Yeah.
And buy up the pieces in such a manner. Strategically, using your words, strategically bought parcels of land.
Yeah.
So you can control the river and the fall.
Yes. Yeah.
And then you shouldn't do that. What I would do if I was in government, I would denote every waterfall and waterway.
Yes.
You know, I would denote every waterfall and the area surrounding it. And I would use the power of eminent domain
Yes.
to grab it and set it aside as a park,
Yes.
a retreat for everybody. No, you can build on it. I'll let you lease the property and build on it. One condition: you have to open it to the general public. It is not exclusively for you and the tourists or whomever else you got ready to come in there and sell out. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah, you have no. You don't hide Jamaica's beauty from the people of the country.
No.
You don't do that. I went up to Norway yesterday, and I'm just driving along, and on the way up there, I look over my left shoulder, Randy, right by that cut stone where them chop off the road on the side of the mountain. I look over my shoulder and I said to my nephew, I said, look where we run from, and look where God give it, and look where we go left. Man, the sun had hit it just right. I am a guy who likes the good things, most of the good things. Not all the good things you see good for you, but I like them anyway. But when I look over there and I see all that mountainside and the sun hit it, and you see you see like 3 different shades of green and the blue in the background, the hazy blue in the background. Why we run away leave that? You know.
Another day, we'll be on the top and we'll see it. We'll talk about it.
Talk about it another day. I'm gonna let you wrap up on me done.
My people, love you now. Stay tuned.